Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get a loan on Mega Peso, so let's start. So the first step is first download the Mega Peso app on your phone. Number 2, register for a loan by filling in all the required information. Number 3, grant the necessary access permission to the app. Number 4, select your desired loan amount and payment period. Number 5, submit your loan application and wait for approval. Here is the picture about how to calculate the loan according to loan amount. So here you can see you can apply for a loan here if you want. You can start using it and trying to check how much you can loan here. And also, well, as you can see, it's very easy to apply it. Here are the numbers of loan. If you are doubt about it, you can do it. And well, that's how you can do it, guys. And if you're following these steps, you can apply for the loan on the Mega Peso app. As you can see, are few steps, or only 5. You have also, well, the most important thing is download the app and also require all the information that is necessary for applying for this. So that's how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video if this information was useful for you.